Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I give myself an edge up at home. I have been giving myself edge ups at home since like forever. When I was in high school, my mom used to do it, but as I got older and on my own, I started doing them myself. As you all can see, I have a lot of hairs that are just running down my neck, of course. The clippers I am using today is by Andes, and I will link that information in the description box below. As you all can see, this clipper is not that harsh on the skin, and it gives you a lot of control because it's not too tiny or not too big and bulky. It's just the right size, I believe, and I like to always just kind of start at the corner and kind of clean it up. I never like to do my edge up too high because that's just not a good look, and I kind of like for some of my baby hairs to still be at the nape and to still lay down. And of course, as you all can see, I like to use a mirror to help me. I'm not looking at you all, by the way. I'm actually looking inside of the mirror in the bathroom because I am filming this video in my bathroom today because that is normally where I give myself edge ups at. As you all can see, when I go up this side, I'm really just going for more of a cleanup. When doing this process, you just want to make sure that you are being as careful as possible and that you are taking your time. And as you all can see, you can literally see the hairs just sitting on my neck. I always tell people I'm like very hairy, so this does not surprise me at all. I feel like I have seen a worse edge up than this, where I had a lot of hair that was just coming down. As I get ready to move closer over, you all will see that I will switch hands to do the other side, and that is because I have had lots of practice and I am able to use my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, to clean up the other side. Now, if you haven't done this before, you just want to make sure you really take your time because you don't want to jack up your edge up because, like I said before, it's not really a good look. So if you do need help, just ask someone to help you out and just to make sure that they know exactly what type of look you are going for. And I like to pull out some of my hairs that may have curled up along the way just to see exactly what the edge up is looking like and if I am satisfied with it. And if I'm not and I feel like there are little cleanups I can do, I do go ahead and go in with the clippers again to give myself a few cleanups before I am done. I do like to use a paper towel to get all of the hair off of my neck first before I go in with a wet towel and alcohol. Now, I normally give myself edge ups right before it's time for me to shower because I don't know, I just don't like for hair to be on my shirt and my body, so I just let this be a routine that I do before bedtime. And now I am going in with the wet towel. The wet towel, to me, it just grabs all of the hairs and it sticks to the paper towel. And after this, I will go ahead in with some alcohol just to make sure that it is clean. And that is why I like to use alcohol, because that looks pretty nasty. But that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found it useful. And as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!